Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB transactions not showing. First, refresh your app by closing it completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for DNB, swipe it away, then wait for a few hours and reopen it. Some transactions take a few moments to appear. Check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak connection can prevent your account from updating. Then log out of your app and log back in to refresh your account's data. Make sure the DNB app is updated. Head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for DNB, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the transactions still do not appear, wait for a few minutes or hours because banking transactions take time to process. That's how you fix DNB transactions not showing.